Welcome back. This is your boy HT3 bringing you God and Travel. It seems like the coronavirus is on the rise. The panic button. Y'all killing it right now. Y'all beating up. Y'all stumping out the panic button. But why are y'all acting so brand new? This is not the first virus we have ever seen. There have been viruses way more dangerous than this virus. The news are telling y'all very few people are dying because of the coronavirus. You have to be way up in age. Y'all young people, y'all going to Walmart and Targets and buying up all the toilet tissue, all the paper towels. Man, y'all are acting like y'all don't even have a God in y'all life. Y'all acting like y'all never even heard of God. Y'all know in life things will happen. So a hurricane it never touched your state before? You never had a tornado to come through your city before? This is life. Tragedies will happen. But it shows that a lot of people they're not with the Lord. If you was really with the Lord, you would have known this is the time to connect with the Lord on a higher level. This is the Lord's reset button. This is the time to reconnect with your family. See, a lot of things you are very ungrateful for. You thought just going to a restaurant, oh, it's nothing. It's such a simple task. It's something I can just do every day. But you were not thankful of the Lord for it. You was going checking out your son basketball game, but you was not grateful. This is the time the Lord is pulling us back to Him so we can reflect on our life and be thankful and be grateful for the things we have. And also, think about the stuff that we take for granted every day. Some people took working for granted. Oh, I hate this job. I hate this job. Now that the coronavirus has came and you can't work, now you wishing you was at that job. You realize how blessed you were to even have a job. It took this virus to make you realize you was blessed to even have a job. I mean, what do y'all really go to church for? I mean, y'all just show up. I mean, you look good with your dresses on, with your ties and suits. Like y'all just going to church for a decoration or something. Y'all don't have no kind of faith in the Lord. People with spiritual eyes can see the Lord has pressed the reset button. And did you really think the Lord was just gonna sit back and allow us to do everything under the sun? All these crimes, all this hating on people, talking bad about people, mistreating people. The Lord got to do something to bring us back to our senses. And you know what? Even in the Bible, whenever the children of Israel got out of hand, God had to bring the rival tribe to lay hands on them. In other words, to beat their tail. And it humbled them. And it made them want to worship the Lord even more. Why do it take a tragedy? Why do it take a tragedy for y'all to drop down to y'all knees and start praying hard? You're supposed to pray hard every day or every other day. It shouldn't have to take no tragedy because you feel like you could die. Now you want to connect with the Lord and become all religious. See, God already knew. That's the only way, bringing these viruses, allowing them to happen. That's the only way God can get some of y'all attention. The only way for y'all to think about God throughout y'all so-called busy day. See, me, I don't fear the coronavirus. God has already told me in a dream I can survive anything. But I will respect the virus. I will wear hand gloves. I don't want my wife to get sick or my son to get sick. I will respect the virus, but I'm not scared of it. The Lord is with me. The Lord has my back. It's time for y'all to stop panicking. We as a country, we have faced terrorism. Went through a lot of stuff within the last 20 years. We seen viruses worse than the coronaviruses. So stop acting brand new. And matter of fact, the coronavirus will end. All the virus always end. You will get back to normalcy. You know what? God already know. He already knows. Once everything get back to normal, you will forget him again. This will not be the last virus we're gonna see. We have not seen our last hurricane. And stop saying that, oh, it's Mother Nature who brought the hurricane. Mother Nature, no. It is God. God controls the hurricane. God controls the tornadoes. God allowed it to flood. Stop blaming Mother Nature. It is God wanting you to come back to him. He has to humble you. Because people tend to pray more when they feel like they in trouble. And this has been God in Travel, letting y'all know to stop acting brand new. Stop buying out all the toilet paper and the paper towels. Allow other families to get some. Stop acting scared. Because a real Christian not supposed to fear death anyway. A real Christian already knows we are in the hands of the Lord, whether we're living or we're dead. We're going to be well taken care of, no matter the situation. Peace out, God, and travel.